Welcome to Volatility 411 for Equity Armor Investments. I am Joe Tigay. Let's get right into it. We have a lot to cover. Of course, we know we're still waiting on the final results of the election, but like I said last week, expect this to be treated like an earnings event. A lot of volatility coming up into the event, then you get a result, and then we go on from there. Now, as we sit, this might have been the greatest fear of the market to be here on Wednesday, not knowing the winner, and yet volatility isn't so much. Now, of course, I think that's because of the tremendous move by the markets. We're seeing the NASDAQ and growth up almost 5%. The S&P 500 up over 3%. Value and banks are lagging in large part. Of course, what's going on with treasuries. Yields are going lower, and maybe because it looks like there's not going to be one party controlling the House, the Senate, and the presidency, it looks like that the Fed is going to have to do more stimulus rather than it coming from Congress. And of course, growth is loving that. It's having a tremendous day, and it has really ever since that became clear late last night, and it hasn't looked back in spite of the fact that the president seems to be switching probabilities back and forth. So it seems like whoever won, the market wanted to buy growth. Now, looking at what happened last night, we had a SKEW spike up to 136 into the election, and the big winners were people who bought call spreads or maybe bought puts and bought the market. If you bought a call spread, you're buying the downside, selling an upside call. Right now, you're long the market, short volatility, and that is the trade that is winning big time. Now, VVIX, the volatility of the vol, that of course is insignificantly with the VIX. Tremendous to watch that, in spite of the fact these futures are moving lockstep with the VIX, so tremendous volatility in these futures. And I expect that to continue as they are still even. Now, we'll see how this plays out. If volatility comes lower, will the futures go back to where they historically are and have a separation a little bit higher than the cash? We'll see how that plays out next week. And again, a lot can happen. Don't forget jobs number Friday. Maybe the market will be preoccupied. That remains to be seen.